Children, in previous videos we learned about properties of addition, subtraction and multiplication. Now in this video you will learn about properties of division. So the first property is closure property. So when you divide two integers, the resultant should be an integer. See, A divided by B is an integer. Is it an integer, children? For example, if you take 5 and 2 as two integers. So 5 divided by 2. The result is 2.5, which is not an integer. Which is not an integer. So closure property won't satisfy in division. The next property is commutative property. Commutative property. So now in commutative property, if you take two integers a and b, then a divided by b is equal to b divided by a, which is not equal. Let us see with an example. 3 and 9 are two integers. So 3 divided by 9 is not equal to 9 divided by 3. So commutative property also not satisfied in division. Next, coming to associative property. So three integers a, b and c are three integers. Then a divided by b divided by c should equal to a divided by b divided by c, which is not equal. So even associative property also won't satisfy. Next is zero property. When you divide an integer with 0 or 0 with an integer, you won't get the result as 0. For example, a divided by 0 and 0 divided by a. 0 divided by a is 0, but whereas a divided by 0 is undefined. So this is a zero property of division. Next is identity property. Next is identity property. If you divide an integer with 1, then the result will be the number itself. And if you divide 1 with a number, then the result is not same. So a divided by 1 is a only, but 1 divided by a is not equal to a. So there is no additive identity. Next is division of an integer. Division of an integer by itself. So when you divide an integer with the same number, then the result is 1. A divided by a is 1. Minus 5 divided by minus 5, the result is 1. The result is 1. Now, one more important concept in this chapter is simplification of expressions. See, if you have a single operation, means 3 plus 2, it is 5. So there is only one sign there, plus. If it is 3 minus 2, it is 1. There is only one operation there. For example, in a problem, if you have more than one operation, you all know that we are having 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So when all these operations present in your expression, how will you simplify the expression? So to simplify that expression, you need to follow BDMAS rule. B means brackets, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, S means subtraction. So you need to follow this process when you are solving an expression having multiple operations. So first you need to simplify brackets. Next you need to go to division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Here you have different types of brackets. They are, one is parenthesis, the other is flower bracket, and the next one is a square bracket. So first you need to simplify the operations whatever present in parentheses, and next you need to simplify which is in a flower bracket, and next you need to go to square brackets. In parentheses also, if you have multiple options, means see division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, you need to follow the same way when you are simplifying these operations. So now before all these you have one more thing, that is called vinculum. If you observe a bar on the top of the numbers, it is called as vinculum. First you need to simplify which is under this bar. Then you need to go to your brackets. First one is a parenthesis, next flower brackets and then the square brackets. In that you need to follow division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now we'll try it out with an example. This is the question. 24 divided by 8 plus 24 into 12 minus 8 minus 15. In this problem, you are finding division, addition, multiplication, subtraction. All the operations are there. So, as we already discussed how to solve, first you need to solve which is present in bracket. So now, here there is a bracket one. So now first we need to simplify this part. So the rest of the part I am writing as it is. So 24 divided by 8 plus 24 into, now in parenthesis 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8 is 4. So 4 and here you have minus 15. Now I completed the first part of your rule. That is B. I completed B now. Next is division. Next we need to do division. So here division sign is here. 24 divided by 8. If you divide 24 with 8, so your answer is 3. And rest of the thing I am writing as it is. Plus 24 into 4 minus 15. So now I completed my second part of your problem. Next is you need to simplify multiplication part. Where is multiplication part? Here 24 into 4. What is 24 into 4? It is 96. So 3 plus 96 minus 15. So now what is the next operation to solve? Addition. So addition I need to simplify. So 96 plus 3 is 99. 99 minus 15. And the last operation is subtraction. So what is 99 minus 15? It is 84. So first how I solve this problem? Children, you need to follow the rule and you need to simplify. First I have checked where the brackets are present. So in this part brackets are there. So first I simplified which is present in bracket. Next I went to division. The next part is division. So I went to division. Here I simplified the division part. and then the rest of the problem as it is I have copied there. Next is multiplication. So I have multiplied the numbers what are present there, and next I did division, addition, and then at the last it is subtraction. If you follow this rule and if you simplify the problems, it will be very easy to you. Without following this rule, if you simplify the problem, you will get a wrong answer. So be careful when more than one operation is there in your problem. You need to definitely follow this particular rule. Now we'll see one more example. Now in this problem, minus 5 into 16 minus 2 into 11 minus 7 minus 2. Here you have a vinculum, parentheses, square brackets, and all types of operations. Subtraction, multiplication is also there here. Now first what we need to simplify in bracket? That vinculum part you need to simplify. So I am writing minus 5 into 16 minus 2 into 11 minus. The number which is under vinculum is 7 minus 2. What is 7 minus 2? It is 5. So now I have simplified the vinculum part now. Now I need to simplify which is present in bracket. So minus 5 into 16 minus 2 into what is 11 minus 5? It is 6. So after simplification, if you observe, I am removing those things. So now I removed parentheses and I wrote 6. Now what I need to do? I need to simplify which is present in the square bracket now. So here I have two operations, subtraction and multiplication. So which operation I need to do it now? The multiplication operation I need to do. So minus 5 into 16 minus 2 into 6. It is 12. So now minus 5 into, now I need to remove these brackets. So 16 minus 12 is 4. So minus 5 into 4 is minus 20. This is your final answer of your problem. If you observe, I followed the rule BD-MAS. So first I simplified the vinculum part, and next the parentheses, and next in these square brackets I have two operations, subtraction and multiplication. So I need to do first multiplication. So I solved first multiplication and then I subtracted, and finally I got the answer as minus 20. So children, if you follow this rule, your simplification of expression is very easy to you. Thank you.